What is an estate plan? An estate plan is a plan that comprehensively covers a lot of contingencies beyond just who gets what. The who gets what is definitely an important question, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. Estate planning also covers incapacity and disability, like who is making sure that your bills are paid and your assets are being managed if you can't do that? Who's making medical decisions for you? And who can talk to your doctors just to find out how you're doing? So, an estate plan covers that piece as well. It also covers guardianship. If you're parents of a minor child, you want to make sure that you have everything in place, that you've named short-term emergency guardians that would cover an emergency situation so that those people could be with your children overnight or for a short period of time if you need help. And then you would also want someone that you name for long-term guardianships, like who's going to raise them. An estate plan covers that piece as well. And of course, as I mentioned, an estate plan covers who gets what. And you might use a will to say that. You might use a trust. Check out our frequently asked questions on what a will is and what a trust is to learn more about those. But the important thing to note is that an estate plan is a comprehensive plan. It covers a lot of different pieces, from incapacity to disability to passing away to what happens long after that. If you have children who need assets, you're going to be naming people to be in charge of those assets for them until they're mature enough to handle them. And what does that look like? And how does that happen? So that's part of a comprehensive estate plan. And also, there's a legacy component of estate planning, which really cannot be underestimated. Your family is going to remember you by the videos you leave behind, by letters you write, not by bland legal documents. Now, we need those and they need to be excellently drafted, which we do, of course, but they're really going to care about the video you leave them, the letter you write for them, or audio or photographs that you put together for them, that kind of thing. And so the legacy component is just as important, in our opinion, as the legal documents. So an estate plan covers all of those aspects.